Nathan's new toys again. Hot Wheels. Another new toys. Oh no. Nathan's new toy again.
Wow! So much fun.
Oh, you're so many. You have so many toys, Mila. Over here. Did you say thank you to Toto? Say thank you, Toto. You say thank you, Toto. Say thank you, Toto.
Mabigat, slider yun. Yan mo, slider.
Oh, so much fun.
Kaya.
Let's see. Car wheel.
Huwag lang sirain yung karutel para may paglalagyan. Yung isang box niya, nasira. Oh, sus! Tumataman niyo. Isa-isa lang niya yung laruan dun sa salamin. Ang nakaubos, nasira. Ang dami yun eh. Pag nilabas mo lang dyan, patay yan.
Oh, another new toys. You have so many toys, Mila. Oh, you're so... Are you happy, Mila? You have so many toys. Oh, wow. What's inside?
Parkingan. Stage 3. Wala, ang traffic na. Ito yan.
Wala na. Oh, so many toys. Mommy will get. Mommy will get. Mommy will get. Okay, here.
Get down.
Go down muna. Go down. Go down. Oh. Toto will put it there. Toto will put it there. What's inside? Oh, it's a toy.
Dito sa baba ka nahuhulog. Dito na. Oh, nahuhulog kasi.
Oh, punta muna sa baba. Yan. Ibaba muna. Zoe.
Diyan na.
Ano na yung mga ano.
Pagmulog sa mesa.
Dito yung symbol.
Nalaglag yung
Manual. Oh no. Wow, so many toys. Nathan's. Wow, you have so many toys. Wow, do not.
Yan lang. Ayos lang, pero malit na version. Yan, malit. Maliliit, ano, no? Kung maliliit na yun. Kahit maliliit yan, gumagana yung mga ano, hindi yung ano. Hindi siya, dami ng small car, ah.
Ang daming small cars ni baby, ah. Happy? Are you happy? You're happy? You say thank you to Toto.
Bakal ba siya? Bakal?
You say thank you, Toto. Oh no, hindi na pinapansin. Yung Hot Wheels. Volcano Skip, hindi na pinapansin. Oh no. Haha. Yes, daw ko. Haha, yes. Yes. No, gustong-gusto niya. What's that? What's that? Mixer. Where's the mixer, Milab? Where's the mixer? Bulldozer daw. truck. Dump truck. Excavator lang niya. Alam niya. Oh, no. Oh, you know it. Sabi niya, mixer. Oh, what's this? What's this, Milab? What's this? What's this? What's that? Dump truck. Okay, great job. What about this one? What is this? What is this? What is this? Bulldozer. How about this one? What? What is this? What's that? Weightlifter. What's this? Oh, lifter. Okay, what's this? What's this? What's this? Oh, mixer. Okay, mixer. How about this one? What's this? Dump truck. Okay, truck. How about this one? Excavator. Very good. Okay, great job. You know already. The equipments. The construction equipment. Pala. Oo nga.
Para ito po pag nakapta na dagat. Oray, makalupit sa dagat. Bari na.
Wow. Oh, no.
Wait, you down. Si Duras ko na pala. Ayun, ay baba. Ay, pinakabo. Agit ka. Kabo. Ayun, napangaray ko nga sa bataan. Ang bagat tuwan. Wait, Toto, wait. Di ba balik-balik? Toto, wait, bagay tayo. Nito na lang.
Ang parang picture, wala ko pa kag-souvenir bataan, kaya loaded pa.
Kasya pa yung mga gang? Yung mga gang, kasya. Kasya ba?
Kasya din, oh.
Pero tatama dito eh. Hindi pwede. Tatama dito, dapat ang galing to.
Nadala yan dito. Parang wala akong sinag dito.
Kasya?
Oo, kasya. Sukat.
Dito, dala mo dito. Parang
Hindi. Dito lang.
Assemble first.
Okay. You just figure.
Dali yung electric fan pa. Tutok nga dito. Paano? Mainit. You just look. You just look, okay? Do not touch, okay? You just watch Toto. Toto will... Oh, wahaha.
Wait, Toto will...
Do not touch. Oh, no.
Wait, look.
Wow. Wow, do not touch. Toto will assemble first. You just watch.
Just wait.
Wait, okay? Look. Oh, just look only. Hell. No, baby. Do not touch. Okay, no. Kaya nga, mamaya na dun sa taas. Kaya masisira niya yan. Bukas na lang niya yan.
At Toto will get angry.
Oh, no. Did you say thank you to Toto? Did you say thank you to Toto, Milab? Hey. I'll say thank you, Toto.
Toto will assemble it first, okay?
Okay. See you again next time. Ako si Cutie Pie. Pero makuliti Pie. Bye-bye.
Bagus si baby. Masamok mo na din.
hindi ka